What's going on, everyone? This is Phil from Millennial Gainz, and I want to welcome you to another video. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. This is an investing channel, and we talk everything money, finance, and investing. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Also, turn that notification bell on. That way you get notified every time I post a video. And if you can, just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I would really appreciate that. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Solo stock. This is Electromechanica Vehicles Corp. and is currently trading at $6.21. So what exactly is this company? So it is a Canadian designer and manufacturer of environmentally efficient electric vehicles. The company's flagship vehicle is a single-seat, three-wheeled electric vehicle that they consider safer than motorcycles and more efficient than a four-wheeled car. So this company has three main cars at the moment. They have the Solo one, which is the one-seater. They have the E-Roadster, which is an all-electric two-seater vehicle. And they have the Tofino, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, that is a sports car. Okay, so let's talk about the single-seat, three-wheeled electric vehicle that they have called Solo. So it is retailed at $18,500. Its range is 100 miles. It can get up to 80 miles per hour. And its charge time is 2.5 hours. It can go to 0 to 60 in 10 seconds. So they believe this is the car of the future. Since it is a single seat, they want it to be the fact that people can use this car to go to work, and it is safer than a motorcycle and more efficient than a four-door vehicle or a five-seater, your standard five-seater vehicle. So they are banking on the fact that people can just pick this up and drive it to work. I think they will need to get the price down a little bit for people to want to do that and do that successfully. But it is a big saver on fuel costs. And I definitely do think that this is a great marketing technique and tool for the future of their company. So I have a few videos playing here in the background, as you can see, demonstrating the cars. So this one is the Solo, which is the single seat, three-wheeled electric vehicle. And this is just to show you exactly what the car looks like and how they are marketing the car in general. In the next clip, you guys will see a road test on a bumpy road. So we'll display the Solo car on a bumpy road, as you see here. As you can see, the car handles pretty well on such a bumpy road. The next car here that we will be talking about is their E-Roadster car. So this is a two-seated electric vehicle, and I think this car looks great. It looks like a classic car, and they turned it modern. It looks great, and I think they can capture the population of people who like classic cars. But getting into the specs here, it has a range of 155 miles. It goes 0 to 60 in 6 seconds. And it takes 9 hours to charge. Now, I cannot see a price that they price this at on their website, but hopefully that will come out soon. I do like the look of the car, and I think they are tackling an important market with this car. The next car we will be talking about is their Tofino, which is their all-electric sports car. Now, I could not find any videos on this car yet, but this car looks absolutely sick. I will post a picture of that after this video plays, because that car looks amazing. Its range is 250 miles. It has speed of 125 miles per hour, and it goes 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. Now, I could not find a price on this car either, but you can expect that it will be a very expensive car, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. So, with that being said, let's go into their stock charts. Looking at their 3-month chart here, we can see that it is kind of unstable and bottomed out for much of the 3 months, and we finally have started seeing a breakout due to all the electric vehicle hype. Now I'm drawing a new resistance line for them, and you can see this upward trend that they are currently in because of the electric vehicle hype. I do believe it is just based around hype and not because of the company in itself. Now let's take a look at the 6-month chart. Looking at this chart here, we can see that it has been up during that first electric vehicle hype here, and then it went back down. It kind of consolidated a bit, and now it is back on the uptrend. So next we will probably see it go down. So this is the longer term chart. This is a 5-year chart. As you can see, we found a double bottom here, and this could mean the mark of the bottom. So hopefully it could be up from here, from this point, and we see it currently it was down on a downward motion, downward trend, and now it's starting their upward trend. So we will see where it goes from this point on, but based on the fundamentals and the financials, which we will get in soon, I would not recommend buying this stock. So looking at their financials here, and I will post it on the screen here in a bit just to show you the proof. This is from their investor relations website. So third quarter, now all of this is said to be in Canadian dollars. So third quarter, they've said they successfully delivered their first shipment of the Solo electric vehicles, which is their one-seater, three-wheeled electric vehicle. They had cash on hand was $101.1 million compared to $11.1 million in 2019. So a huge increase from there. Most of it has been from their stock. So revenue is minus $0.3 million compared to $0.2 million in the same quarter a year ago. They had an operating loss in the third quarter of 2020, which was $8.8 million compared to $7.8 million in the same quarter a year ago, and a net loss of $14.9 million compared to $5.3 million in the same quarter a year ago. So these financials are not too hot. Is this stock a buy? So for a long term, I definitely would not be buying yet. I would like to see and wait till they have some financials under their belt, and until they are getting some revenue into their company themselves. So until I see some revenue, I will not be investing long term in them. But what I will be doing is trading off of the stock and its fluctuations. So there's been a lot of hype around all the EV sector in general, and I think it's a perfect opportunity if you have a small account to trade a smaller size EV stock, because as you guys know, all of them have been booming, such as NIO and XPeng and obviously Tesla. So I will be trading off of that, but before I do invest long term, I will need to see some revenue. And I will wrap up the video here. So I want to thank you all for watching. If you can, check out my good friend Paranoid Profits channel. He talks about individual stocks and different investing strategies. I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. If you subscribe to him, make sure you say Millennial Money Gainz sent you and show him some love. Make sure you thumbs up all his videos for me. So, thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Comment anything you want to see down below and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you all for watching. Make sure you check out my links in the description below. You get 3 free stocks if you sign up to Webull and 1 free stock if you sign up for Robinhood. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!